New construction completion est mid-March. Beautiful single-family home minutes to the Chesapeake Bay beaches and Naval Base Norfolk/Little Creek. Airy open floor plan west/9 feet ceilings throughout the first floor. Family room west/a fireplace opens to kitchen west/large island. Stainless steel appliances, stove, microwave and dishwasher. Beautiful granite countertops in the kitchen. Butler's pantry in both full bathrooms. Formal dining room, flex room and a powder room round out the downstairs of the home that includes all LPV floors. Stairs, upper hall and bedrooms include plush carpet. Upstairs laundry and upstairs guest baths include LVP. Primary ensuite has a separate tiled shower, tub and double bowl vanity and tiled flooring. 2-car garage west/opener and an exterior generator plug included. Pictures are of a similar home, similar finishes.